You've been applying for remote jobs, but no one's replying. Chances are you're making one or more of these silent mistakes that stop thousands of people from getting hired. Let's fix them today. Mistake 1. Treating remote jobs like traditional jobs. Remote companies don't hire the same way your local office does. They care less about your degree and more about your ability to work independently, communicate online, and manage your time. If your resume doesn't show this, you'll be skipped. Fix it. Mention remote work tools like Slack, Trello, Zoom, or Notion. Briefly describe how you worked remotely, even for a small project or client. They want to see that you can handle work without constant supervision. Mistake 2. Sending the same application everywhere. Copy-paste applications kill your chances fast. Recruiters can spot a generic message instantly. It tells them you didn't care enough to learn about the role or company. Fix it. Customize your application in just 5 lines. 1. Mention the role you're applying for. 2. Highlight one specific skill or tool they asked for. 3. State your time zone and availability. 4. Add a short result or achievement. 5. Link to your portfolio or sample work. Example. Hi, I'm a virtual assistant experienced with HubSpot and live in GMT+3. I supported a UK team for 18 months and improved their response time by 40%. I've attached a sample support log below. Short, focused, impressive. Mistake 3. Weak or empty. LinkedIn profile. Hiring managers will look you up. If your LinkedIn looks half done or doesn't mention remote work, you've lost a big opportunity. Fix it. Your headline should include your role and open to remote roles, UK time zone. Your About section should have 2 to 3 sentences about what you do, who you help, and what tools you use. Use a clear photo, add some samples or links, and start engaging with posts in your niche. This makes you stand out instantly, even before an interview. Mistake 4. Looking in the wrong places. If you're only using LinkedIn Jobs or Indeed, you're competing with thousands, most of them in the UK or Europe. Fix it. Focus on platforms that welcome international applicants. Otter.com. We work remotely. JobGether, remotive people. Per hour use filters like remote, UK hours, or no sponsorship needed. Also, set alerts and apply early, within the first 24 hours of posting. Mistake 5. Ignoring time zone compatibility. You could be the perfect candidate, but if you're unavailable during UK work hours, you'll be skipped. Fix it. Clearly state in your CV and messages. Available to work full-time during UK time zone. If your time zone is close, like GMT+2 or GMT+3, mention that. Many companies are happy to hire from Africa or Eastern Europe if time zones match. Mistake 6. No proof of skills. Anyone can say they're good at content writing or support, but hiring managers want to see it. Fix it. Create a simple portfolio, even in Google Docs or Notion. Include examples, a customer support reply, a content plan, a social media post, a sample email. Link this in your LinkedIn and applications. It builds trust immediately. Mistake 7. Giving up too soon. This is the most common mistake. You apply to 5 jobs, hear nothing, and stop. Fix it. Remote job hunting is a volume game. You may need to send 20, 50, even 100 applications to get interviews. That's not failure. It's the process. Track your applications, follow up, and improve each time. Consistency wins. Quick recap. Show remote skills, not just titles. Customize every application. Fix your LinkedIn and keep it active. Apply on the right platforms. Mention UK time zone availability. Show real samples of your work. And most importantly, don't quit early. You don't need luck. You need strategy, proof, and consistency. Keep applying, keep learning, and that offer will come.
If this helped you, give the video a like. It helps more people discover these resources. And if you're ready to land your first remote job with a European company, subscribe to Remote Hustle Europe. We drop weekly content on how to earn in euros, work internationally, and live life on your own terms from anywhere in the world. See you in the next video.